So this is the element tool where you can create a new issue. So after navigating to this new issue tab, we can create a new issue. So I have found an issue on a page called BSGNITC where you can go through this link, and when you type username, for example, I am typing my username which I use it to log in for this account. Even you can use the same name and copy paste before proceeding because the same is the password for this username. So if you paste this and click on submit, it will redirect you to the home portal of student Guru Nanak Institute Technical Campus. Now, upon hovering to examination cell and then on to mark details and clicking on overall result, it will take some time to load. And here is the main bug which we face on this website, where we are unable to go back to the previous home page and let it load. See, after it's loading, if I try to go back to the previous page, it doesn't go. So it just goes and come back. However, if I try to reload the page, it reloads and keeps on reloading, but however, it stays in the same page. So the main bug with this application is it is unable to go back. So I need to report this bug in this here. So I have saved the text in the clipboard, so I can use that. And the description and the title is an inability to navigate back to the previous page using browser back button, as you saw just now. And the description would be, yeah, so as I explained already, uh, this is the content where which describes the previous situation, where we are unable to go back to the previous home page when we go on to that mark section page. And in order to tell the steps to reproduce, we can have some steps so that even we can demonstrate. So we can open the website and log in to access the home page. So with the credential which I have given, you can log in with the same username and password. And upon successfully logging in, when you hover on this exam onto examination cell and then to on to overall marks results, so we can find a page where all the marks are displayed. However, when you are going back to the previous page, it doesn't go directly, but instead it stays in the same page. So there is a routing bug which need to be fixed for this website. So the frequency is it does sometimes, but it is not always. So I'm giving you sometimes. And we in this portal there is an option, so that we can give a name, so that we can assign it to some other person, and we can even give the person who is reporting this. And if you give another person in CC, it will also redirect to them. And for the time spent, you can give it in any numeric value. For example, I'm giving 2. And after fixing, we can add a person who fixed this. So upon after completing this, we can just we can also like add attachments and linked issues, so that which describes the video or an screenshot example for that bug. So I am adding a raw file which I've already saved previously. So it's saying it's too large. Okay, let me add the file. So even we can add the file here. However, I'm getting that the file is too large error. So upon adding the attachment, I can submit it. So now it gives like your issue has been reported. So in order to view your issue, you can just press the same number, so that you can go back to the thing like your report. So in this issue tracking, we can track all the issues we have submitted previously, so that we can check if at all that is fixed or not in future. So in this way, we can use Elementool to track all our issues report and create issues and report bugs and more. And it is controlled and used by many industries and software companies, so that there is a maintained environment, so that everyone knows what bugs are resolved and what bugs are need to be fixed based upon priority, severity, etc.